interest in computer science stemmed from a lot of early 2000s web-based games where you would code your own website to customize it. I love the idea of being able to write something down and have it show up on screen. I am a transfer student. I came from National Community College. UNH worked with me to accept my credits and to figure out my degree moving forward for the next couple of years. I get a lot of hands-on experience at UNH. One of my classes currently, a software development class, we are working with Professor Mihaela. She's teaching us not only how to program correctly, but also the design that goes into a program, from the beginning stages to the final product. The class had a focus on sustainability. Each team focused on a specific aspect. We chose air quality because we felt it was the most important to us. I do feel at UNH Manchester, I get to work a lot more closely with my professors and my teammates. The campus is a lot smaller than some other universities. I get to know everyone in my degree, I get to know everyone in my classes, and I have the same students each semester, so we get to form a connection through that. I feel very confident in my career going forward. I am going to be working in an automation company. I have experience through UNH with automation, and I'm going to be furthering my career based off of that.